I'm here with the Segway NINEBOT F2 Plus E electric folding scooter. Now I know electric scooters are loads of fun, but it's also important to stay safe on them too. And the Segway NINEBOT have really thought of everything with this one to give you peace of mind when you're out and about using it. The 570mm handlebars are designed to keep you stable and as safe as possible, making sure that you're in control of every turn. And their longer length also means that you get some extra space for accessories like phone holders. When it comes to the wheels, the anti-skid traction control keeps you safe on slippery surfaces, and the front disc brakes and the electronic rear brake are more responsive and reliable to help you control your stops. It's also got front and rear indicators, which mean people around you will be able to clearly see you when you're turning. Just click them on and off like this. Then with the 3 riding modes, Eco, Drive and Sport, you can find the perfect setting for what you want to achieve, whether you're speeding down the driveway or going for a slow ride around your garden. And you can also check your mode, speed and battery life all on the colour LED display here.